Sometimes we want to combine totally different things, and what seemed to be pure nonsense turns out to be a great idea. How to eat a cake and have it get an unpredictable effect? Watch it in our video. You can look at the sea forever. Your eyes have a rest, and the sound of waves calms you down. Make special headphones if you want to listen to the sound of the sea at any time. Take 2 seashells of the appropriate size. We have conch shells that we have found on the coast. Color them with blue acrylic paint. Wrap up a metal headband with decorative tape. Hot glue the shells to the ends of the headband. Add yellow spots in a spiral pattern. Now, these funny shells will remind you of a bright blue sky and the hot sun, even on a cold winter day. My friend dances to the lively music in her headphones, and I meditate to the sound of the sea. I listen to the magical sound and dream about summer. What is this jumping girl with a butterfly net doing? Is she catching butterflies? In the middle of winter? There is no snow, but it doesn't mean that it is summer. Oh, I see! It's a selfie stick! We will need wire and pliers. Make a ring out of the wire. Twist the ends together using the pliers. Make 2 triangles out of tulle and sew them together across 2 sides. Turn them out through the side which is not sewn. Wrap up the unsewn edges around the wire. Attach a wide ribbon. Hot glue. Fold and press the ribbon so that it fastens the tulle around the wire. Wrap the ribbon around the twisted end of the wire. Fasten it with hot glue. Attach the butterfly net to the selfie stick using double-sided tape. Secure it with painter's tape and wrap it with decorative tape for embellishment and better attachment. I put my phone into the monopod and take a selfie. It is hard not to smile when you look at this funny selfie stick, and the selfies you get are the most amazing. If you didn't manage to catch butterflies, you can use your selfie stick as a weather vane, and you will always know where the wind blows. I love beauty too, so I've made a unique organizer for my jewelry collection. Bend a color paper clip so that it looks like a clothes hanger. Cut off the excess. Fix up the shape. Make as many mini hangers as you need. Take big clothes hangers and hang the colorful baby ones on it. I hang my jewelry on the practical and funny mini hangers. It's a great and unusual organizer. The only thing I need is to find where to hang it. There you go! I'm drinking my tea, and here comes my active friend and puts her apple slices onto my cookie plate. She wants to take up painting. She turns over her plate and uses it as a palette. Turn over the plate. Attach colorful plastic bottle caps to the bottom of the plate. Arrange them in such a way that the plate stays steady and doesn't tilt. The young artist successfully manages to mix paint colors on her DIY palette. I have a fork brush to match her plate palette. Have you broken a brush? It's not a problem. Let's combine it with a fork. Flatten the metallic part of the brush in such a way that you can put it on the fork handle. Put the brush on the fork handle and press it with pliers. Wrap it with decorative tape. Cover the entire fork handle. I can pick up my apple with the fork side and paint with the brush side. But it is better to give the fork brush to my friend so that she'll take the paint from her plate palette. Meanwhile, I can finish drinking my tea. My friend and I are drinking tea. Oops! It seems I've spilled it a little. A paper towel is just what I need. But it looks like this young stargazer wants to use it as a telescope. What's so interesting about it? My friend is ready to blow on me to make the stain dry so that she won't part with her new toy. What's inside of it? Let's turn a regular paper towel roll into a marvelous kaleidoscope. Trace the inside circle of a paper towel roll. Fit an equilateral triangle into it. Cut out the circle. Measure the length of the triangle side. Make it on cardboard 3 times. This will be the length of the stripes we will need.